Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to elevate your graphic design skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a core skill that can add texture, movement, and depth to any project patterns. We're talking essential techniques to master patterns in graphic design, whether you're working on logos, branding, or just adding a unique touch to your designs. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create eye-catching, professional patterns. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about why patterns are such a powerful tool in graphic design. Patterns can instantly make a design more memorable. Think about iconic brands. Many of them use patterns as a crucial part of their visual identity. Patterns can add rhythm, unify elements, and even make a design feel more dynamic. So if you're working on a project that needs that extra bit of style or cohesion, adding a well-designed pattern can be a game changer. Now that we know why patterns matter, let's go over some basic types. Geometric patterns are all about precision and symmetry, great for a modern, clean look. Organic patterns, on the other hand, feel more natural, with shapes inspired by nature like leaves or waves. Then, we have abstract patterns, which are often random and bold, perfect for creating a more artistic vibe. Knowing which type of pattern works best for your project can set the tone for the entire design. Alright, let's get into the fun part, creating your own custom patterns. I'll show you how to build a pattern using basic shapes. Start by drawing a few simple elements you want to repeat, then arrange them in a way that flows. Test out different sizes, rotations, and color combinations. Remember, the key to a great pattern is balance. Play around until you find something that feels right. Once you've got your pattern, it's important to apply it thoughtfully. Avoid going overboard. A busy pattern can overwhelm your design if you're not careful. Think about using patterns to highlight specific areas like backgrounds or accents. And don't forget about color. Patterns work best when the color scheme matches your project's overall vibe. Try experimenting with opacity and layering to add depth without distracting from the main elements. If you're stuck on where to start or looking for a fresh perspective, try finding inspiration in everyday things. Fabrics, wallpapers, nature. Or, if you want something truly unique, consider working with a designer. They can bring a level of creativity and expertise that can make all the difference. Check out the link in the description to find your perfect designer and start collaborating on a pattern that brings your vision to life. Alright, that's a wrap. Today, we covered why patterns are so impactful, the different types you can use, how to create your own, and the best practices to make them shine. Whether you're adding a subtle texture or a bold statement, mastering patterns can really transform your work. If you're ready to dive in and need some professional help, don't forget to click the link in the description to find a designer who can bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.